Welcome to the gated community of Dinner Lake Shores in Lake Wales, Florida. This home features 3 bedrooms plus a den or study, 2 baths, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry room, 2-car garage, and a screened in-ground pool. There is a pond view with no neighbors directly behind you. Only neighbors on one side. The kitchen features a gas stove, breakfast nook, breakfast bar, and pantry. The hot water heater is also gas to save on electricity. The primary bath includes dual sinks, separate vanities, garden tub, and a tile shower. The saltwater pool was added in 2015 and is screened for your enjoyment. The pool measures 28 by 14 and is 6 feet at the deepest point. The property measures at 0.37 acres and the backyard is fenced. Roof 2018, pool pump 2023. The home is located close to grocery shopping, Eagle Ridge Mall, and Highway 27. All sizes are approximate. Call for a showing today.